color in it. I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.